Hi, welcome along everyone. Well, as promised, we're going to start doing some cooking in the old U10 air fryer. To that end, the most popular thing's got to be chips, hasn't it? We're going to do some fries in here tonight, show you how they turn out, and we'll see what they taste like, shall we? Got to be good.
So as Al said, we're going to use some French fries. I'm going to have frozen ones. So I need to pull this out of here and pour enough in for two of us for our supper. So we have our frozen chips in here, and we don't need to add any oil, so we're going to pop them in there and they should be nice and healthy. So we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to go to the menu, and we're going to see it's set up fries. It's the first one on the menu and it's saying 18 minutes. Simple as that. Off we go. The recommendation when you've got your fries is halfway through cooking time you give them a little shake. So I'm going to set our own timer here for 10 minutes, and that'll remind me to come back in 10 minutes, put them out and give them a shake. Right, so we're halfway through cooking time, so I'm just going to pull this out of here. Okay, you see everything turns off. See the chips in there? Can you see the fat in them dripping down through the basket? That's my timer telling me that I'm halfway through the cooking time. I'm going to pop this up, you push this forward, push this up, and then the basket comes out. You can give them a shake. That helps them to go crispy. That's it. And then back in, click that across, bring it over and pop it in, and watch what happens on here once it's click back into place. This carries on from where it left off. So with a minute to go, I'm going to pull them out. This gets a bit hot, so I've got my oven gloves. Pull them out, have a look. Oh, they look really, really nice. I think they need a snatch longer. We'll give them another little shake. Yeah, some of those underneath. The beauty is you can cook them for as long as you want. So I'll give them a minute and we'll see how they look, but they are looking pretty good. Well, that's it, our time's up. You can hear the beeper going. Let's pull them out and have a look. Oh, they're fine, they're lovely. I was going to give them another minute, but I don't need to. They're absolutely perfect. So in actual fact, the time they said was exactly the time that we needed on those chips. Don't forget, if you did want to add any more minutes, you've only got to add it like this, or decrease like this. If you want to adjust the temperature, again, just by these buttons here. So I suppose if you put more chips in, you'll probably want longer, but that's perfect for us. So, supper then. So we'll just take a look in here. Can you see the fat that's come off them? And there's a little bit in the bottom of there. Very easy to wash out and clean, but it just shows you we've not added any more fat, so they are definitely a healthier way of having your chips.
Here we are then, the old taste test, you know. This is just a little snack for the evening, you know, just something we fancy on a nice Sunday evening with a fire burning in the front room. Can't beat it, can you? Nice glass of wine. I've missed the right. Yeah, got to be, haven't you? But don't look at that glass. It's all wrong. Okay, but don't read that. Okay, we're all ready to try out the fries. Well, I can tell you, they are absolutely bang on what I expected. Absolutely fantastic. Full taste, crispy, light, fluffy. I can tell you, they are bang on, dead right. I can heartily recommend just a plate full of them with nothing else, which is what we've got actually. Can't be bad. Okay, that's it. All our videos, you know where to go, usual place, Derek and 33. Thanks for watching everybody, and cheers.